Rain.
R-A-I-N.
Rains.
What's the meaning of rain?
Precipitation from clouds in the form of drops of water.
Do you know any English word rain?
Come rain, come shine.
Come rain or shine.
It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining blue glass.
What about the lexical figure of the word rain?
Yes, there are a lot. Rainy,
Rain.
rainer, rains, rainbow, rainbow, rainbows. And do you know any synonyms?
Yes, shower, precipitation.